Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a playground using popsicle sticks. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You will need approximately 100 to 150 standard craft sticks. Ensure you have a reliable craft glue that dries clear and strong, along with a pair of sharp scissors and a ruler for precise cuts. For a personalized touch, consider having paint, markers, or small decorative elements ready. Next, let's construct the foundation for your playground. Begin by laying 10 to 12 popsicle sticks side by side and gluing them together to form a solid base. For added stability, glue 2 additional sticks perpendicularly across the ends of this base. Then, create 4 support pillars, each by gluing 2 sticks together, making them thicker and stronger. These pillars will elevate your playground structure. Now, let's add some exciting playground features. For a swing, cut 1 stick into 2 small pieces and glue them to a longer stick, forming a seat. To make a slide, cut a stick diagonally in half and attach it from an elevated platform to the base. You can also craft a small ladder by gluing 5 short stick pieces horizontally between 2 longer vertical sticks, providing access to upper levels. Finally, it's time to personalize your unique popsicle stick playground. Once all the glue has thoroughly dried, you can use paints or markers to add vibrant colors and intricate details to your structure. Consider adding miniature figures, tiny benches, or even small trees to bring your playground to life. This final step allows you to express your creativity and make your playground truly one of a kind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.